Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. I just want to say Happy New Year when it comes to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a refreshing carrot juice at home for you and the family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. All that I'll be using to make this refreshing carrot juice will be listed down in the description box so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all that I'll be using to make my healthy carrot juice. I'll be using some carrot, I'll be using 2 limes, I'll be using some orange, some ginger, and here I got some pumpkin to go with it. And here I got my natural honey also to go with it. Now guys, you're gonna start out by peeling your pumpkin and also scraping your carrots. This guys. Just like that. So you go ahead and clean out them. And also you need a basin guys, so when you're peeling the stuff and if cutting them up, you can just add it to your basin. I'm gonna get a bag now to cut out the inside. Get rid of that seed, pumpkin seed, out of it. We start to peel it. You want to do guys. Go ahead, let's cut that in half again. Now I'm just going to start to peel off the skin off of it. Guys, you want to be careful when you're peeling your pumpkin skin. Mind the knife slide underneath and cut your hand on the back there. So you want to be careful guys when you're doing this. Also want to use a sharp knife, much more easier to peel these pumpkin skin. It's kind of hard if you're using a dull knife. Look at that guys, it's so easy. Remember guys, after you finish peeling all your pumpkin and scraping your carrots, you want to go ahead and rinse them off underneath the pipe. Guys, let's go ahead and peel the next one. Guys, beautiful pumpkin looking so nice guys. Now you just want to start to cut up your pumpkin guys, make it much more easier. Guys, just cut them in some cube shape. You have to cut them too small. Guys, perfect size, just like that. Now you're just going to add them to your basin. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished peeling all my pumpkin. So guys, I'm finished peeling my pumpkin now. There you have it guys, cube size. Now guys, you're gonna get your scraper. If you don't have a scraper like this guys, you can also use your knife. Go like that. Scrape your carrots. This guys, I'm just using my scraper, more easier. guys. Just like that. Just like that, guys. On this side. Just kind of in. Just cut these. So you want to cut them up, guys. Just add into your basin. Get right back to you guys when I'm finished peeling all my carrots and rinsing them off. Now here you have it, guys. I've finished cut up my carrots and my pumpkin. Yes, guys. I've also rinsed them off already. I rinsed them about 2 times underneath the cold water. Yes, guys, get anything off of them. Now you're gonna need a blender to blend up your pumpkin and your carrots, your ginger, and especially your orange. Speaking about orange, yes guys, I've already go ahead and peel my orange skins off. Guys, you can use your orange skin and boil it and make some orange tea. Yes guys, leave them to dry before you boil them, and then you sweeten it with some sugar in a pot. Now I'm just gonna add my pumpkin and my carrots to my blender. So like that, guys. Wow. Tell me guys, this is so healthy for your body, guys, especially in this corona time. Yes guys, you want to make sure you have all of those vitamins C up. Now I'm just going to add some water to it. Yes guys, especially your pumpkin and your carrot, got a lot of vitamin into them. Yes guys, I'm just going to blend this for about a minute or 2. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished blending it. Now here you have it, guys, after like 2 minutes. Like that, guys. Wow, looking beautiful. Now I'm just gonna add the rest of my pumpkin and carrot into that now, guys. Just like that. Now I'm just going to cover this up and give this another blend for the next 2 minutes. Here you have it, guys, after that 2 minutes. Side. Now guys, I'm just going to throw this into my strainer. Guys, just like that. I'll start to strain it now, guys. You're going to need yourself a strainer and different, maybe the same basin, but I'll just rinse it out. Yes, guys. I'm just going to start to press this. Wow, too much in there. Out of it. I'm just going to start to press this, strain the juice from it now, guys. Finished straining all of my carrot juice with that pumpkin. I'll get right back to you guys. Now here you have it. I've finished straining my pumpkin and carrot. Yes guys, this is the trash that leave back. And I'm just going to put this to the side. Now I'm just going to start to juice my lime. Yes guys. Guys, you want to make sure you roll your lime like this so you can get them juicy. Just kind of press on them and roll them. Get some juice out of it. Yes guys, just like that. I'm just going to do the next one the same way. Yes guys, now I'm just going to cut these. I'm going to get my cutting board. Just like that. I'm just going to juice them on this. So you don't want to get your juice from your lime, guys. Make sure you roll them. Get them softened up so you get a lot of juice from your lime. There you have it, guys. Look at that, guys. That's what I'm telling you about. Juices in the jar there. Now I'm just gonna throw this out into my pumpkin and carrot. Yes, guys, just like that. Put this over here. Now I'm just gonna start to add my orange into it. Yes, guys, adding vitamin C to my pumpkin and carrot. This is a wonderful juice to have, guys, especially in this time with the corona. Yes, guys, I want to build up your immune system. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna get my strainer. Don't want the seed them to drop in there. Now there you have it, guys. I've finished squeeze out all my oranges. I'm gonna put that to the side. Just wipe off here. That's kind of wet. Now, guys, I'm gonna add my gingers to my blender. As I'm gonna blend up that now. I'm just gonna cut them. Guys, make sure you rinse off your ginger before you add them to your blender. Any dirt is on it, any creases are in it. You know what I mean? These guys, you want to make sure you rinse them. Just like that, guys. I'm just gonna add these to the blender. And I'm adding about a cup of water to that now. I'm just gonna blend this. Right back to you guys. Now here you have it, guys. My ginger is finished. Blend up. You just want to get your strainer and get your juice now. And start to strain this ginger. Just like that, guys. Wow. Ginger smelling so amazing. Smelling so nice. And you're going to get your spoon. Start to press that now. Press out all of that juice. You get all of that juice from that ginger. I'm just gonna add this trash, this ginger trash to my rest of my trash over there. Just like that. Just rinse off my spoon now. Now I'm just going to start to add my honey to this now, guys. I'm going to need half of my honey first. I'm just going to start to stir this around. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a wonderful juice to make. Yes, guys. You can serve around the dinner table when you're having your dinner with a family or friends. Come around. It's also healthy for your body, guys. I'm telling you, especially that pumpkin. It's good for your skin. Yes, guys. Remove any dark spot you got on your skin, guys. I'm telling you. Carrot, you already know that good for your eyesight, guys. And also the orange, good for the vitamin C packed up in it. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, it's amazing juice to try out at home. Give that taste. some more honey. Let's go in with all of this honey, guys. There you have it. Stir this and sweeten it again, guys. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished stirring up all of this healthy carrot juice with the pumpkin and ginger and lime inside of it, especially the orange. Now here you have it, guys, my carrot juice with that pumpkin and lime and ginger with that orange. Yes guys, it's all sweet now with that honey. I'm telling you guys, this juice is good for your health, guys, especially eyesight, skin, as I was saying before. Yes guys, orange is full of vitamin C. Yes guys, you want to make sure your body is up and running, especially in this time with the COVID thing going on. Now I'm just gonna throw this into my jug and put it into my fridge to cool now and leave it for later when I'm having my dinner. I hope you guys give this one a try at home, to you and the family or the friends when they come around. It's good to have with your dinner, or even on its own, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this healthy carrot juice when you give it a try at home, guys. Hit me up in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.